Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and removing all power sources. Once the system is off, unplug the AC adapter and detach peripherals. Then discharge residual power by holding the power button for 5–10 seconds. Make sure you ground yourself using an anti-static wrist strap or by touching the metal chassis, because static will damage components. Next, open the case or laptop rear panel using the correct screwdriver. Keep screws organized. Now you're ready to locate the Cmos battery, so you can remove it safely. You'll find a coin cell in a plastic holder or a small battery pack with a connector. Once located, note the battery polarity, photograph orientation so replacement matches. If it's in a spring clip, depress the clip gently with a plastic tool or fingertip and lift the cell straight out. Sudden twists can break the holder. For a connector, pull the plug straight out with even force. If the battery is soldered, stop and consider professional service. Do not attempt aggressive desoldering without proper tools. You put the new battery in with the same orientation you photographed. Press it into the holder until it clicks or reconnect the plug firmly. Once reassembled, reconnect power and boot into BIOS to confirm time, date, and saved settings. Restore any custom boot order or profiles. If settings aren't saving, power cycle and recheck the battery seating and connector for bent pins or corrosion. If the board still loses BIOS settings, try another known good battery and verify the motherboard's RTC circuitry isn't damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.